It's you who create your blockages, who think that I am in a budget. So, hi, if you click this video, then you are the person who want their dream reality to manifest faster. And I'm so glad you clicked this video because by the end of the video, you will know what is 72-hour delusional theory and how you don't have to wait for your desires. You just need to jump into the shift, jump into the state where your desires, where your dream life is real. So, stay with me till the end because this video is going to change your life. Mandatory thing if you're someone who wants to regulate the nervous system, who wants to manifest faster, just subscribe to my channel because I will come with every single manifestation technique to help you manifest your desires, your dream life very, very fast. So, first of all, now I want to clear you this that many people think that the manifestation is just visualizing, affirming, journaling, scripting, and doing all these things and then just waiting. If you are one of them, then comment yes, I believe the same. Because many people don't actually know what is manifestation. What I did earlier, I just visualized, scripted, journal, and just waited there for manifestation. Yes, I did my work, I did my thing. But how I actually did it? I did it with force, I did it with hustle, I did it with like I actually have to get it. Do you feel there is a difference? So this is your version 1, this is your version 2. Now the version 1 is also manifesting, the version 2 is also manifesting. What is the version 1 doing? Version 1 is journaling, manifesting, affirming. Even the version 2 is also doing the same. The version 1 is doing the work, version 2 is also doing the same. But there is a slight difference. What the version 1 is doing, the version 1 is actually doing so much work. It is in the state of burnout, is sitting and waiting so that the manifestation landed with the luck. But here's what version 2 is doing. She or he is actually regulating the system. They are also doing the add-on things like affirming, visualizing, journaling to boost up their manifestation process. But they are not just sitting and waiting the manifestation to land. They are actually being in the state where manifestation, their desires come to their state very fast. Now I will tell you the difference, what it is. So the 72-hour delusional theory is also based on this, where you are doing your work, you are visualizing, you are affirming, and you are being clear of what you want, but you are in the state of receiving and not waiting. In the state of waiting, what you are actually doing, like if you just take an example that if you want to manifest 30,000 in your life by the end of this week or by the end of this month, what you will do in the waiting state? You will do your work, you will visualize, you will affirm, but you will refresh your feed, you will check again and again your bank account, you will sit and think, I am doing so much, but why it is not coming to me? That is the waiting phase. And if you are in the waiting phase, please, please, please stay with me till the end. I'm going to push you out from the waiting to the receiving stage right now. So if you are someone who want to manifest money in your life, you cannot just sit, you cannot just do your work and sit and tell the universe, tell the higher power that I did so much, still there is no payment, still there is nothing. You cannot sit here and just refresh your feed. If any job application arrives, if anything arrives, you cannot just sit there. You need to be in the receiving phase. Now what the receiving phase means, you did your aligned work. It could be selling your creating a digital product. It could be messaging the warm leads. It could be applying to that job application. It could be anything. You did your work. Now you are in the receiving phase. You know that even nothing is happening in front of my eyes right now. I know something is happening behind my back. Things are aligning for me. Universe is working for me. That's where the receiving state comes. Because you know I did my work. Now there is nothing I can control. You did your work, this is in your control. But after doing your work, you have to release it. You cannot control the outcome. See, life has its own ups and downs, and we cannot control the ups and downs. We can only control what we actually want. And here you did your aligned work. Now you are in the phase of receiving. You did your aligned work, and now you tell to the universe, I am crystal clear If it's not gonna happen in 72 hours, I am still very clear that you will give me what I want. And if I don't receive 30,000, I know I may receive 50,000 or more of it. That's where receiving phase lies and not just waiting phase. So you have to change the script, flip the script. And always remember whatever your desires, it can be money, love, freedom, joy, happiness, abundance, anything. It always arrive in the state of calmness and not fear that I did this particular things for this desire and why this desire has not arrived into my life. No, you cannot be in that phase. If you are doing all these affirmation visualization for that desire to happen, that you are just expecting things, you are just creating things that is wrong. You did visualization affirmation acting as your 3D self just because you are upgrading into your higher version and you are not doing that for particular desire. It could be happen that if you want to manifest 30,000, universe has 1 lakh for you. But you need to act like the person who can handle 1 lakh. That's as simple as that. See, universe is not in the budget. Universe has everything to get to every particular person. But it's you who create your blockages. It's you who think that I am in budget. Now let's talk about the main thing, that is 72-hour delusional theory. And I don't know if you have read it somewhere, because it's a particularly principle, it's a particular theory that I created, or it may be someone has created earlier, but this particular thing is actually work on this. So I just named 72-hour delusional theory. Now what you have to do is to step number one, be very crystal clear about your desire, about your outcome. I want to manifest 30,000 by the end of this week through my digital products. This much clear. Not I just want to manifest a much more amount of money. Be step one, be very crystal clear. Step two, you need to do your aligned work, not random work. What will give you 30,000 by the end of this week? By creating a digital product that is trendy, by messaging warm leads, by creating content that actually converts. Simple as that. No random work like creating any product, messaging thousands of people. No, not any random work. Only work that actually aligns with your desire. Number three, be delusional for 72 hours straight. Now, this is the step where most people actually quit their manifestation because their brain wins and they lose. In this 72 hours, the first few hours and first day will feel like very heavy, and your brain will tell this is not going to happen. What are you even thinking? Why people will buy from you? This is not going to happen. Even nothing has happened till yet, how it will happen, because your brain loves proof and your brain needs proof. But for 72 hours straight, you need to rephrase the belief. You need to actually flip the script whenever prayed for a nanosecond only. Whenever your brain is telling you, oh, this is not going to happen, you just need to instantly flip it. I know it's going to happen. This is mine already. This particular shift, this particular sentence, if you repeat again and again, your brain will accept it as a truth, because repetition equals to your brain knows that this is something that is true. That's where the power of neuroplasticity lies, where we repeat things just to make sure that our brain accepts it. So for the 72 hours straight, you just need to believe it's going to happen. And in the 72 hours, don't doubt it. Why haven't this money come to me yet? Why my clients are not converting? You don't have to do these things. You just need to stay delusional that everything is working for you. Universe is aligning everything for you. You just need to be that much straight. And step four, the most important, detach from the outcome. Now you cannot cling to the 30,000. You have to detach. It can be like in 3 days 10,000 can also arrive, in 3 days 50,000 can also arrive. There is both situation. So you cannot cling to the outcome. You cannot cling like I only need 30,000. And if a big payment of 20,000 come, for example, if a big payment of 20,000 come, it's like 3 days has happened, and in the last third day, a big payment of 20,000 comes to your bank account. Now you are there sitting like, oh, universe, I manifested 30,000. Why did you give me 20,000? No. Detached from the outcome. You did your work. You actually commanded the universe. You are not pleasing the universe. You are commanding the universe. That universe, I need 30,000. I'm doing this work. Now I detach from the outcome. Now, when you actually detach from the outcome, then things very fastly, very fast comes to you. See, when you actually detach, your manifestation can land in 72 hours, 24 hours, or even 48 hours. So the fourth step is the most important, that whatever arrives in your pocket, be grateful for it. Even 1 rupee, even 30,000 rupees. Be grateful for what has arrived in your pocket, because gratitude multiplies whatever you want. The fourth step, that is very super simple. If you do it like once, in the first time it may be your desires will not match, but when your brain will actually know it, when your brain will feel the shift, feel the change, then actually abundance, opportunities, money, joy will be like coming towards you. You don't have to go to money, you don't have to go to joy, you have to be here center, and all things gets attracted to you because you are a magnet. Listening. So follow the 72-hour delusional theory for once. And if you're following, just comment, yes, I am following, and come back after 72 hours and tell me what shift you get. It could be a better mindset, it could be a job that you wanted, it could be 10,000, 30,000, 50,000 rupees, it could be just feeling better. It could be anything except what you actually feel after 3 days. It can also happen that after 3 days, no materialistic things fall into your lap, but feel the inner shift. It could be now your brain is more active, now your brain is more creative and attracting opportunities. It could be your brain is now more calm and more clear that what it wants. It could be anything. Just for once, try this 72-hour delusional theory and see how things unfold for you. It could be any single thing you got to manifest from this 72-hour delusional theory. So if you love this video, please like, comment, share. Want to manifest their dream life, and subscribe, because I will come up with manifestation talk, nervous system regulation, any topic that will help you to regulate, to manifest your dream life faster, and to upgrade you to your next level. So bye, take care.